Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. If you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Your energy introduces you even before you speak. So today I want to talk about how you can be able to carry the high maintenance energy. So get something to drink, get comfortable, get something to write with, and let's talk about it. The art of being a high maintenance woman. Well, when I was researching about this, I also went to male or men written articles, and being high maintenance does have a bad rep amongst some people, amongst some men, and even some women. That is something I definitely got. But who is a high maintenance lady? Well, basically, a high maintenance person is somebody who requires a lot of time, money, and effort. Does this woman sound like somebody you want to be or sound familiar? Well, let me share with you 6 pointers that I know about the art of being high maintenance. The first one is investing. Women who have high maintenance invest in their looks. So, this is something that both the men and the women agree on, that these are women who look good all the time. They are almost perfect from how you see them. You never see them looking awful. You'll never see them walking out of the house with a bonnet or their pajamas. And they live by this statement or quote that says, the devil is in the details. So their shirt is always well ironed, their clothes are well ironed, their hair is well placed, even if it's that French style type of a messy quote unquote, it is well put. That mess was well designed. Every part of hair that's not where it's supposed to be was designed to be like that. They're so detailed. These are people who take care of their skincare routine. They invest in skincare routines. They have their makeup stuff there. They watch tutorials. They sleep with masks on. These are ladies who know what's trending, know how their body shape is, know what colors work for them. They know their hairstyles, what looks good on them. They know if they have a forehead, that certain hairstyles won't look good. They invest in their nails. They are looking good. Like anytime they leave the house, they know they have to look good. Period. When they're on a video call, they look good. When they just love looking good, both inside the house and outside the house. The second thing is confidence is their best accessory. Confidence is your best accessory if you want to be a high maintenance woman. So these are women who know how to communicate. They communicate really well. They're slow, they're soft, they're articulate, and they also speak up for what they know is right and what they believe in. They won't see an injustice happen and won't talk about it, or they won't let a man do whatever they want just because they like that man. If a man crosses the line, she will tell the man, you're crossing the line. The third thing is high standards. Well, let me tell you, they do not settle. They do not settle for anything less than what they know they deserve. They know what they want and they go for it and they go get it. Or better yet, how to place it is they create an environment in where they receive as a feminine. They're also very selective, very picky in who they choose to hang out with, in what they choose to eat, in what they choose to do, in places they choose to go. They think it through and just make sure it matches their aesthetic. And also, just in the high standards bit, is success is their imprint. They don't do anything like giving up. They don't do anything mediocre. If they fail, they learn from the mistakes, they go on, because they are building a legacy. They want to be known for doing well. They want to be known for thriving and succeeding. The fourth thing is they have self-respect. Their 11th commandment is, no one, thou shalt not take me for granted. They understand that they have something to offer, and when a man or their friend or even the family member treats them wrong, they just cut them off and they respectfully just walk away from that situation, because they know their worth and they know that they deserve better. They know what they are able to give, they know their value as well, and they basically are living in the mindset of, I am the prize. The fifth thing is they show up as their highest self. They have vision boards and they work towards achieving what's on their vision board. They are also very prayerful and involve God in their desires, so that God can actually give them their heart's desires and so that they can be aligned with God's will. Every day they strive to live in their purpose. They strive to do, if they live in such a mindset that if today was their last day, they want to have created an impact. They want to have done something great, not only for themselves but for those around them. So every day they come out of their house not only looking good, but knowing that they're going to do their best in whatever areas or fields they are put in, be it school, be it studies, whatever, be it being a mother, be it being a daughter. They just do it to their best and show up as their highest self while looking good while doing all of this. Finally, the last thing is they invest in their well-being. So we have the 8 pillars of well-being: physical, mental, social, recreational. I could go on, but they invest in all those areas. So if it's mental, they try to read the right books. They rest when it's necessary, when they feel they need to rest. They also work on their body. These are ladies who look good, you know what I'm saying? So they work on their bodies, they eat well. Recreational wise is they make sure they have the right friends group. If you're acting wrong, if you're the jealous kind of girl, they cut you off. They love to travel, explore new things, are open-minded. And also in their well-being is finances. Some people say they're not really good in finances, and these are blogs written mostly by men who can't handle a high maintenance woman, but these are women who invest their money on themselves, and they are women who do not mind having a man who can take care of them. They only date provider men because they understand that man is a provider, and they only date provider men. So that is my thoughts on the art of being high maintenance. Not only my thoughts, but just basically well-researched pointers on being high maintenance. So I might not be doing a video in a while after this, so I urge you to share, comment, so that many people can get to watch my videos and they can get impacted. Till next time, ciao.